Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is June 17, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. So let's jump right into the charts here. You'll see that the S&P 500 E-mini futures is trading up by 2 3/4 points to 2,100 1/4 per contract. So the futures are up a little bit this morning. We'll see if they can hold their gains. Yesterday the market did have a pretty good little up day, and we'll see if that can continue today. But either way, there are a lot of stocks in the news, and we do have a lot going on today. First off the bat, we're going to have the big FOMC announcement. That will be at 2 o'clock today. So the Federal Reserve will come out with their policy statement, and we'll see what they say. We'll see how the market reacts. But that is what everyone will be waiting on today. We're going to see the reaction from Janet Yellen in her press conference at 2:30. So we'll see how the market reacts there, and we'll see how what the Fed has to say and what they are planning to do in the future regarding interest rate policy. All right, but meanwhile, we do have some stocks out here. We're going to start off with Adobe Systems. Ticker symbol is ADBE. And Adobe reported earnings last night after the closing bell. Stock is trading at $79.02. Closed at $79.94. So nothing tragic for Adobe here, just down a little bit. We're going to watch this one once the opening bell rings today. So let's keep it on the radar, but this will be in play. So we'll see how it plays out. Again, if you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing. Adobe will be on our radar this morning. We will have a couple of gap plays. Let's talk about the first one today, which is going to be Bob Evans. BOBE is the ticker symbol here. Stock is flying high. It's trading at $49.75. A share, closed at $47.50, so great move higher for Bob Evans. We're going to have some gap levels for this one. We will be looking to play this in the chat room once the opening bell rings at 9:30. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. You'll get our gap plays. They'll be posted up in the chat room at 9 a.m. Next up, we're going to take a look at Federal Express today. FDX is the ticker symbol. The stock is getting hit a little bit. Closed yesterday at $182.13. Now trading at $177.80. Things are getting interesting here. We'll see where it goes. Right now, this $177.80 level is a pierce of the 20-day moving average. So again, we'll see if the market finds a little bit of stability down here at this level. But if it does fall, we will be looking at FedEx to play this one today. It is on our radar. In sympathy to the drop in FedEx, we will also be watching UPS. So UPS right now is trading at $99.99, closed at $100.35. We will be watching this one closely. Right off the bat, I am seeing pretty good support for UPS at two levels, 98.10 and also 94.40. All levels mentioned in this video are scalp levels only. All right, let's take a look at our next one here, Lazy Boy. LZB is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $25.70, closed at $27.16. There is going to be some support around 23 1/4 if we get down there, so keep that on the radar today. 23 1/4. There's also more support at 22.59. So two levels there for Lazy Boy. Watch them. We'll see if we get down there. Both will be in play. Here's another stock that we'll have a gap level for today is KYTH. KYTH is gapping up big today. Stock closed at $66.05. Right now it's trading at $72.79. Believe it or not, the CEO, I believe, made a bid to buy out the company. So we'll see how that plays out. But nonetheless, I will have gap resistance levels for this one in the intraday stock chat once the opening bell rings today. So keep that on the radar. We will be looking to play this one today. This is KYTH 360 Technology, and we'll see how it plays out. Next one on my radar today is David's Tea. It's DTEA. And what you're going to see here is this stock is getting hammered. This is basically a new issue. Just came aboard earlier this month. First earnings report, and it's getting hit pretty hard. The stock yesterday closed at $29.16, now trading at $25 1/4. I'm not sure if we're going to do anything with this one today, but if it does present an opportunity, we will look to play it in the intraday stock chat at some point this afternoon. But we'll be looking at the much smaller time frames. Let's take a look at this ticker symbol here, KYTH. Looks like this company was bought out by Allergan. So if you own it, congratulations. If you don't own it, do not do anything with it. It will just go sideways. This is a takeover. Okay, so KYTH Biopharmaceuticals is being taken over by Allergen, I believe for $75 a share. If you own it, trail your stop loss or take your money off the table. Congratulations. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures are down 2 points to $1,179 an ounce. Let's take a look at the GLD this morning. What you'll see here is that the GLD is trading right around 113.14. That's just a hair from where it closed at 113.32 last night. We'll see how this one plays out today. I don't see anything great or terrible for gold, but remember, day where the Federal Reserve makes a statement, gold is usually going to be very, very volatile. So please be careful with gold right around 2 o'clock. There could be an opportunity there. If you want to see how we're going to trade it, just come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we have crude oil trading up $1 and a penny to $60.98. Take a look here at the USO, which is a good ETF to trade light sweet crude. That's getting a good pop today, trading at 20.59. Closed at 20.26 yesterday. So oil is up today. And if you take a look at the US dollar, dollar is down. So here's the dollar index, which just got a little bit of a bid. But if you look at the daily chart, you're going to see the dollar is down a little bit. So dollar down usually helps oil and gold. It's not helping gold today, but it is helping oil, and we'll see how it plays out today. But remember, this is also an options expiration week. On Friday, we will have quadruple witching. 4 different asset classes will be expiring, so expect the unexpected. We're going to get a lot of whipping moves in individual names, and that's generally the way it works out. All right, everybody, with that being said, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.